So I repaired the button head bolts that strip out when you try to take them back off for holding the alternator on a Holley Mid-Mount. These button heads couldn't, I finally got that one out, wrestled with it. This one here I had to cut the head off of to get it out. And the problem is it would clamp into these. These go right here. And when they get pulled in, they get smaller, and it would clamp the threads. I made a little video about it, and you just strip that thing out. That one didn't strip out, but I don't know. I used a torque wrench on them when I put them together, but stripped out. So I took a bolt. I cut the head down thinner. This one has to be cut down thinner because the belt will rub. So the belt's going to come across right in here somewhere. If it does a little slapping, it'll rub. So I cut that one down. Cut these down a little bit here in the barrel so that it doesn't bite so hard onto the thread. And then I drilled them out so that they now fit on the in the hole. Then you could put the bolt through. Then you could just there's plenty of room when it's in the mounted on the motor in the truck. So then you could just put a bolt on there and be done with it. So there you go. That's how I fixed that. This one here I milled down just a little bit extra and made it so that it'll fit in there, and you can get it off. You got to take the power steering pump off to get it off anyways. So that's what I did. Thanks for watching.